Hey, second grade, welcome back to another reading lesson. Today we're going to be talking about poetry again, and we are going to be doing two things with our poem. So, the first time we read our poem, we are going to be looking for descriptive words, and those are words that describe something. So, if I were to describe this cup, I would say that it is colorful, that it is beautiful, that it is covered. There's a lid on the top, that it is turquoise on the bottom. So those are words that describe something. So that's the first thing we're going to look for. The second thing we're going to look for are clues that help us understand the narrator, which is a girl, why she is excited about the snow, because we're reading a poem called Snow Shapes. So with that second question, we're really answering our essential question, what excites us about nature? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're only going to be like detectives looking for descriptive words. So let me get to our story. Here is, I should say, our poem. Here is our poem, Snow Shape. I am going to read it to you first. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, we're zoomed in already. Perfect. So I'm going to read it. I'm going to stop and see if you guys can help me pick out any descriptive words. So snow is falling from the sky. It gently lands on the ground. Ooh, in that first part, I already hear a descriptive word. I hear the word gently. So gently, let's see if I can find a highlighter here. There we go. So gently tells me that the snow is falling lightly. It's not banging on the floor really hard or the ground really hard. It's gently falling. All right, let's keep reading. It's a bright, bright white, just like cold milk. In this sentence, do you hear any descriptive words? Absolutely. I hear the word bright, and it's actually said 2 times. So I'm going to highlight both of those. Come on, man. The highlighter's not being nice to me. All right. Is there any other descriptive word you hear in that sentence? Yeah, the word white. All right, let me keep reading. It looks so soft and smooth. In that sentence, I hear two. What two do you hear? Yeah, the word soft. There's one more. Can you see it? Absolutely. And the word smooth. So right there, we've already, let's see, let's count. How many descriptive words have we heard? 1, 2, 3. Well, that's 1, 3, 4, 5. Wow, look at that. All right, let's keep reading. I hate to ruin it with my feet, but I have got a plan. I stand up tall and close my eyes, and then straight back I fall. I slide my arms up and down. I move my legs in and out. I stand up to see what I have made, a 4-foot shape in the snow, of course. I read second grade. So the first time through, we have found 5 descriptive words. And just to let you know, the college word for that is adjective. So adjectives describe something, and that's what we just found. We found adjectives, which is super, super exciting. All right, now the second time we read this poem, we are going to be looking for clues that tell us this girl is excited about the snow. All right, let's go through again. Snow is falling from the sky. It gently lands on the ground. It's a bright, bright white, just like cold milk. It looks so soft and smooth. I hate to ruin it with my feet, but I have got a plan. So in that sentence, she uses the word hate, which is a really strong word. I don't really like that word. But anyway, so I can tell that she doesn't want to ruin it, but she's really excited to jump in it anyway because she has a plan. So right there, she has a plan, which normally people have when they're excited about something. I'm going to make this a different color just so we can tell the difference. I stand up tall and close my eyes, and then straight back I fall. I slide my arms up and down. I move my legs in and out. I stand up to see what I have made, a 4-foot shape in the snow of me. So right here at the end, I also see an exclamation point. I'm just going to highlight this whole thing. So she's super excited that she was playing in the snow. So our 2 clues that tell us that she's excited is that she makes a plan and she uses an exclamation point, which tells us she had a lot of fun playing in the snow. Now, what shape did she make? Hint, 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 it's in the picture. Yeah, she made a snow angel is what I used to call them. She's swiping her arms up and down, and her legs back and forth, just like this. And I don't know if you can see my legs. Up and down. Uh-oh, you can tell I'm wearing pajama pants. Shh, don't tell. All right, so we are ready to show our assignment. So today, during our assignment, the first thing we're going to be doing is all those descriptive words we found, we are going to use in order to find antonyms. So antonyms means opposite. So just like in our example right here, it says write antonyms for the words we found. Antonym means opposite. Example, happy or sad. So these are those adjectives we found. We found the word bright, soft, smooth. We need to find some words that mean the opposite of that. So before we do that, I kind of want to explain antonyms a little bit more. So like I said before, it's pretty simple. Antonym means opposite. You find a word that means the opposite of another word. So for example, if I have the word day, what would be a word that means the opposite of day? Yeah, you got it. Night. And as you can see, the sun is up during the day and the moon is up during the night. What about the word cold? What would be an opposite of cold? Yeah, you might say hot or you might say warm. Those are both opposites of cold. And last one, happy. What's an opposite of happy? Right, sad. Might be sad, or you might say mad is an opposite of happy. Both of those would work. So for your assignment today, you are going to find words that mean the opposite of bright, soft, and smooth. Let's do the first one together. If I'm looking for something that's the opposite of bright, well, when I think of bright, I think of the daytime. When it's not bright, I think of nighttime. And when it's nighttime, it's usually, yeah, you got it, dark. So just like that, we have our first one finished. All right, second grade. Now the next thing you're going to do is infer. What clues tell us the girl is excited? And we kind of talked about this already, but let's go back. Let's go back and look at our poem one more time just so we know those clues for sure. Alrighty, so here is our poem. Oh, I'm glad we did this. When you highlight something, you don't have to reread and go back because you kind of like took notes with your highlighter. You highlighted important things, then you have them right there. So one thing she did that tells us she is excited about the snow is she made a plan. And like I said before, normally you make a plan if you're really excited to do something. Another clue, do you see the other highlighted thing? What was the other thing we said that kind of tells us that she's excited? Absolutely, she used an exclamation point, and we always use exclamation points when we are excited. So those are 2 clues that tell us she's excited about playing in the snow. All right, second grade, I'm going to send you on your way. This assignment shouldn't be too challenging since we went through it together today. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and send me any messages if you have any questions or join our Zoom session.